this.
I'm just going to come the other side of here so that we can peek in and see. You can see there are lots of white embers falling around the sides.
Here how much it sucks. If you actually look at the sand here, it's sucking the sand in.
Oh yeah, you can see where it's actually made a little hole.
It's actually, it really is. Sometimes we'll find sand sort of 12 inches inside the kiln where it just sucks it in.
Whoa!
Happy with this bit now. Notice that I leave it around the inlet shoes because we really need a lot of heat around there. So they'll be the last bits that I shut down. Now over here you can see the fire's got no choice. If it wants to keep going, it's got to come over this way now.
Ah, yeah, because this was the bit that had problems earlier, wasn't it?
What I'm looking for now is a bed of embers behind these shoes, which I haven't got yet.
Right.
We'll have there very, very soon. That's okay on this one.
Yeah.
Tar there again. You must start picking that tar out. When you're looking at this smoke, it looks like it's absolutely dreadful pollution, but in fact a huge percentage of that is steam.
Oh.
If you were to pass your hand through the smoke, which I don't advise, it would actually come out damp.
Oh, right.
Demonstrate with a shovel. This might be a bit that you have to cut out. But you'll notice the shovel's soaking wet.
Oh, yeah. It is, you can see it glistening with moisture.
Yeah. So, a large percentage of what you're seeing is steam. The wood's quite green because it was only this year's timber, but I quite like it. It makes a very, very good quality charcoal. And I'm wondering in the olden days when they were doing the earth burns, whether they burnt the timber slightly greener and didn't have the seasoning. Bearing in mind that they were vagrant, and they travelled from woodland to woodland, following the coppice workers. So I should think they would make the charcoal when they got a chance. This one, Toby Kenny, come and have a look soon. Get your camera in there. This is an air inlet, and what I was saying earlier is it going, if you can actually look up in the shoe.
Oh, right. Oh, yes.
That's the sort of heat that I'm looking for, so
That's
I'm happy
heat.
with that now.
Right,
So I'm going to shut this one down.
Out, right?
Now the adrenaline in me is starting to ease up a little bit because I've got a a lot of the kiln is in a, what I say, a safe state. Safe so far as if it flares, I've not got a lot to sand down.
Right.
So this at the moment is pretty much a textbook burn so far. But anything can happen. So effectively we've just got this last section. It's not that far behind, probably only 10-15 minutes behind. Yeah, that's lovely. That's exactly how I like to see it. So I'm going to shut another section down. You'll notice that I throw the sand at the top of the kiln, not in. I don't want too much going in.
Ah, you want to just drop
So
down
I
and...
throw it at the side of the kiln so it drops down. You get a certain amount go in, but so effectively we've just got 1/4 left, which is nice. Yeah, the embers are still quite a long way back on that one.
Okay.
So I've just got time to finish my cup of coffee. And at this point I'll start laying the chimneys out ready for the next day.
Right, okay. Well, I'm going to pause this for another few minutes. We'll